Okay, this is Algebra 2 Review 6-1. We're going to do 16 through 19. One thing I'm going to say about these ones is we no longer have the same, well, 16 you have the same base, but 17 the rest you don't. So let's burn through 16 real quick. We've got the same base all the way across, but the one on the left is split. So remember, if we're adding logs, we can multiply their arguments. So here we go. I can make that log of x times x minus 4 equals log of 12. Now I can cancel out those logs. So I get x times x minus 4 equals 12. Alright. From here, you got to multiply it out, and you'll have an x squared. So x squared minus 4x equals 12. And we'll have to do the whole factor, I know, algebra 2 F word, and you'll survive. Right. And then two things that multiply to negative 12 but add to negative 4 are negative 6 and positive 2. So x equals 6 and 2. Cool? Alright, now the rest of these you will no longer be able to find the same base. Like number 17, there is nothing that I can reduce that to. I can't make that a 2 squared. I can make that a 3 squared, but I can't do anything with a 5 like that. So what I'm going to have to do is make sure there's nothing out back, nothing in front, and we will popcorn. So that is log base 5 of 9 equals x minus 3. Okay, this is what we mean by leaving reduced form. We're not going to put log 9 over log 5 in the calculator. Just leave it as is. The only thing left to do is to move the 3. Okay, so it becomes a positive 3 plus log base 5 of 9 equals x. And that is your solution. Number 18, same idea. If I were you, I'd take the time and try to see if you can fiddle through the rest of these. But I'm going to burn through them pretty quick. Okay, nothing in front of the log, nothing behind the log, so I'm going to go ahead and popcorn. So this is 7 squared equals x plus 4. So that's 49 is x is 7 squared. If I move the 4 over, that's minus 4. So x equals 45. Right. Number 19. Again, this one doesn't have a log, so I can't cancel out the logs, but I can merge those two together. So if we're adding logs, we multiply the arguments. So that's log base 2 of x times x minus 14 equals 5. So that is, come on, base, answer, argument. 2 to the 5th power equals x times x minus 14. So I'm going to go ahead and say x squared minus 14x. Yeah. And then we got to solve from there. So for 2 to the 5th power is 32. So that's 0 equals x squared minus 14x minus 32. All right. Factor that out. Two things that multiply to negative 32 but add to negative 14 are negative 16 and positive 2. Haha. May have forgotten that one, but there you go. So x equals 16 and negative 2. Cool. I'm going to stop it for this video, but see if you can finish the rest of these out. We'll come back to the word problem in a little bit.